Miami's most prolific social media plastic surgeon had to shut down due to COVID-19. Now, Dr. Miami and his entire staff are now reopening their office. But before opening their doors, Dr. Miami calls upon the help of National BioSafe to clean and disinfect their office.
We need to keep each other safe. And, thanks to National BioSafe, and, they have a spray that's biodegradable and also virucidal, kills the virus. It's recommended by the CDC that something has at least 70% alcohol. Spread on all the surfaces, do it multiple times a day. It's really, really important.
Dr. Miami encourages business owners to do the same as we are all entering the first phase of reopening.
This is so important, not just for my business, for every business. As you think about reopening after the COVID-19 outbreak, you have to make sure that your staff is safe, that your patients are safe, that your customers are safe, whatever business you have. So it's really important that you not only disinfect your building before you open for business, but also that you continue to disinfect all the high contact areas, all the surfaces that people touch, doorknobs, elevators, buttons, your phones, etc., throughout the day.